What was the name of the place that the two followers were travelling to? Emmaus. How many miles did they have to travel? 7 miles. What were they talking about? All of the things that had happened to Jesus over the past few days. Who started walking with them? Jesus. What did Jesus explain to them? What the scriptures and the prophets had said about him. What happened when they arrived in Emmaus? They asked Jesus to stay with them. What did Jesus do that made them realize that it was him? He took the bread, gave thanks, and broke it. What happened next? Jesus disappeared. What did they do? They rushed back to Jerusalem to tell the disciples what had happened. What is the name we give to the special meal when Jesus first broke bread with his disciples? The Last Supper.